नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट हैं रजत सिंह। तो चलिए जानते हैं उनसे उनकी प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रेटजीज के बारे में। सर, आपका कौन सा अटैम्प्ट है?
This is my fourth attempt.
ओके। तो प्रीवियस अटैम्प्ट्स में जो थोड़ी मिस्टेक्स रही होंगी उन्हें आपने इस बार कैसे मैनेज किया?
Third attempt में I did not clear my mains because my essay marks were low, and I have introspected over it and I realized that somewhere I went away from the topic. This time I realized that I need to make dedicated essay notes and practiced around 10 to 15 essays this time. My essay marks I feel would have improved, but I will know only when the marks are out. So that was it.
ऐसे में आंसर राइटिंग स्किल्स को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए आपने किन चीज़ों पे काम किया?
For essays, I had peer groups, so I had discussions with them, and I also joined test series for essays, but that was only so that I can manage the time and my content.
आपका ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट?
Chemistry.
आपने केमिस्ट्री को ही क्यों अपना ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट चूज़ किया?
So during JEE times, that was my favorite subject. My graduation was from IIT Roorkee in chemical engineering, so since that is not an optional, the closest subject was chemistry. So that's.
सिविल सर्विस को करियर चूज़ करने का रीज़न?
Firstly, the diverse opportunities that you get, and since I'm from a technical background, I feel that today governance is so dynamic that tech can be easily used. So I feel I would readily belong there, and also because my father has been in state services, so I have seen closely how governance works. So for all these reasons, it was my ambition early on.
आपकी प्रेफरेंस पोस्ट?
I have filled IS, IPS as my first two preference, so that is something that I am vying for right now.
न्यू यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट्स को आप क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगे?
So since prelims is around the corner, so I would say starting from mid-Jan, you should dedicatedly focus on prelims, current affairs, and only once you clear the prelims, then you should start your optional and GS preparation. So till now you have 15 to 30 days time, abhi, so you can focus on optional and essay writing, but after that fully prelims.
आपने कहीं से कोचिंग ली है?
Only for chemistry optional, other than like for interviews and test series, that's it.
ओके। मोड ऑफ कोचिंग क्या रहा आपका, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन?
Online.
ऑनलाइन कोचिंग क्यों आपने चूज़ की?
Because I didn't want to come to Delhi, and everything was available at my home, so I had more time to study, so that's why.
इंटरव्यू राउंड के लिए आपने प्लूटस आईएएस मॉक इंटरव्यू प्रोग्राम में क्यों इनरोल किया?
It was suggested to me by some friend, and I had time and slots were available, so yeah, that's why.
थैंक यू सर, ऑल द बेस्ट।